Hello, welcome to UPSC Rainbow previous class study about India Freedom Struggle Part 1 and today we discuss about Indian Freedom Struggle Part 2 from 1970 to 1947. Let us start with the basic prelims questions. Okay, which of the following statements is are correct? Tinkatia system was an agreement between European planters and cultivators of Champaran, which forced cultivators to cultivate indigo 1 by 20th of their land holding. Here 1 by 20th is incorrect because real is 3 by 20th part. So first statements are incorrect. By the end of the 19th century, German synthetic dyes forced indigo out of the market and became a reason for Champaran Satyagraha. One of the reason is also the German synthetic dyes. So these statements are correct. Ask for correct statements. So only two. So answer is C. What was the contribution of Alluri Sitaram Raju in Indian national movement? You know that Alluri Sitaram Raju from the Andhra Pradesh. He organized tribals in the Andhra and combining their demands with those of non-cooperation movement. So answer is B. What were the programs of non-cooperation movement? Boycott election under the Government of India Act. Yes, boycott and violate law of the land. These statements are incorrect because this is done in civil disobedience movement. Boycott law court, yes. Boycott government school colleges, yes. So 1, 3 and 4 are correct statements. So answer is B. Swaraj Party walked out from the council in 1930 in the response of Lahore resolution of the Congress. So answer is B. Match the following statements with various consequences. Okay, Arvindo Ghosh. You know the Arvindo Ghosh related to Alipur conspiracy case. So one link to two. You know the Rajguru. Rajguru linked to the Lahore conspiracy case or Nanli Gupta linked to the Kanpur conspiracy case. Sachin Sanyal linked to the Delhi conspiracy case. So what is the correct answer? Correct answer is B because sorry. Answer is C. Which of the following statements about recommendation of the Whiteley Commission is correct? Adoption of a standard wages in jute industry, yes. Formation of committee to promote cordial relationship between the employees and employers, yes. So 1 and 2 are correct statements. So answer is A. Which of the following were recommendation of the Simon Commission report? It proposed separate electorate for the depressed class. These statements are incorrect because it proposed reservation of the depressed class. It recommended a scrapping of dietary in the provinces. These statements are correct. It recommended the establishment of the responsible government at the center. It is done already in 1919 Government of India Acts. So these statements are also incorrect. It argued that the ultimate character of the Indian government had to be federal. These statements are correct. Asking what correct statement 2 is 2 and 4 are correct statements. So answer is D. Which of the following was not recommended by Nehru report? Universal adult franchise, yes. Bicameral legislature, Senate, yes. Complete independence of India, no. Dominance status is recommended. 19-point fundamental rights, yes. Asking what incorrect statement, so answer is C. Which of the following classes were included in the Gandhi Ribbon Pact. Release of all prisoners who are undergoing sentences due to the activities of civil disobedience movement. Yes. The government would withdraw all ordinances issued to curb Congress. Yes. The government considered the right of the make salt for the consumption of the village along with the coast. Yes. Congress agreed in the principle of the McDonald Award. No. You know that McDonald is not agreed by Congress. So correct statement is 1, 2, 3. So answer is A. Which of the following statement is are correct? Subhash Chandra Bose became president of Congress in 1938 and 1939. Yes, he formed the Forward Bloc in 1939, not 1936. So these statements are incorrect. Correct statement is only one. So answer is B. Which of the following statements is are correct about the independence of Indian League? It is launched by S.A. Dung and the M.N. Roy. This statement is incorrect because it is launched by Subhash Chandra Bose and Jawaharlal Nehru. So first statements are incorrect. Its main objective was to establish an Indian Republic on socialist land. These statements are correct. So answer is only two correct. So answer is C. Which of the following were the silent feature of the Government of India Act 1935 provided for bicameral federation legislature? Yes. Provide provincial autonomy? Yes. Provided for the federal court? Yes. And hierarchy in the Sindh and Odisha are maintained. These statements are incorrect. Correct statement 1, 2, 3. So answer is A. Which of the following statements are correct? In 1937 provincial election, the Congress swept polls in the all provinces. These statements are incorrect because in the and Punjab, Bengal and Punjab, this is not true. So first statements are incorrect. Hindu Mahasabha ceased to be important force in this election. Yes. So only two is correct statement. So answer is C. Which one of the following pair is not correctly matched? Bardoli Andolan by Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Yes. Red Shirt Movement by Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. These statements are incorrect. All India Kisan Sabha by Swami Sahajanand Saraswati. Yes. Independence of India League by Subhash Chandra Bose. Yes. Here asking what incorrect statement. So answer is B. Which of the following are correctly matched? Madras Textile Union, Labor Union by B.P. Wadia. Yes. All India Trade Union Congress by N.M. Joshi. Yes. Indian Trade Union Federation by Lala Rajpat. These statements are incorrect. Worker and Peasant Party Sharda. These statements are incorrect. Asking about correct statements 1 and 3 are correct statements. So answer is B. The Congress rejected the August offer because there was no suggestion for the national government. These statements are correct. India had to be belligerent nation in the World War II. This statement is incorrect because this is not the reason for the Congress rejected the August offer. So only one statements are correct. So answer is B. What were the points of draft declaration by the Cripps mission in 1942 to set up India Union soon after the war? These statements are correct. To give India complete independence. These statements are incorrect because it is proponent dominant status. No partition of India. These statements are also incorrect because partition of India is also is an elected body will be responsible to frame a new constitution. These statements are correct. Asking about correct statements 1 or 4 are correct statements. So answer is D. In 1944, C. Rajagopalachari suggested a formula with a view to resolve the political deadlock in the country. Answer is C. Which of the following statements about the cabinet mission plan are correct? Idea of Pakistan was recognized. These statements are incorrect. No protection was provided to minority community except Muslim. These statements are correct. Asking about correct statements, answer is only C. That is 2. The reason for the defeat of Indian National Army was weak internal organization, no. Death of Subhash Chandra Bose, no. Defeat of the Japan in the war, yes. Defeat of the war, Japan in the war is the main reason of the defeat of Indian National Army. So correct statement is C. So thank you.